Hi and welcome to this tutorial for how to create a permanent filter in TermWeb 4. In your search view, click on the Open Search Modes button and then the checkbox for filters. This will open up the filter menu. In the top right is the New Filter button. Click New Filter and you should see a new screen to edit and create your filter. In this example, I'm going to create a filter to filter on concepts that are missing a German translation. Enter an appropriate name for your filter. As you can see here, we've chosen the dictionary here. The visibility is if you wish to share the filter with other user group, and whether we're filtering out on concept or term. In this case, we're looking for concepts that are missing the German term entirely. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to our logical operators here and select field and term does not exist, or the language equals German. As you can see, our term list updated here with the filter that I have applied or started creating here. So you can actually get in real time updates for how well your filter is working. In this case, we have term not exist where language equals Germans for these concepts. This means that I'm going to find all concepts that are missing German translations. When I'm done, I click on Save. I select the filter and then click Apply. This will apply the filter to this current term list. And as we can see here, if we click through these concepts, this concept is missing a German translation, as is this one. So this filter seems to be working correctly. Thank you for this tutorial.